Human beings can only focus on one thing at a time. Focus on what's important. Us.
The next thing that you must be intentional about if you are a powerful, impactful, influential leader is innovation.
The answer is strategic foresight. The point of foresight is actually not to predict the future. You have to just be prepared for anything that might come.
The new kid in town is culture. Culture is the new king.
Days during which your minds will be stretched to a new dimension as thought leaders from around the world share critical and insightful business thinking